Hello, this is Bill with Money for Coffee. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a free landing page for affiliate marketing. This will be a step-by-step guide. I got a link underneath this video where you can just click on it and it'll take you to this page. And it's System IO. And I already have an account, so I'll just log in. But if you don't, just hit get started for free. It's completely free. You don't need any credit card, any PayPal. It's just no payment information is required. Like I said, it's completely free. So then I'll just click and sign in. Like I said, click on the link below the video. It'll take you to this page. And then just click get started for free if you don't already have an account. If you do, just log in. Okay, so like I said, I'll log in. Okay, then next it takes you to the dashboard. Then you go to the menu and click funnel. Okay, one thing I've seen also is instead of having this drop down menu, it'll have everything listed up here at the top. So either way, if it's up here, just click on funnels, or if you have to hit the menu and then drop down, just click on funnels. Okay, then it'll take you to your funnels. Alright, if you want to get rid of a funnel, you're allowed up to 3 with a free account, 3 funnels. So you just go to these little 3 dots and then you click on deactivate, and then a little window will pop up and just hit confirm. So that's how you get rid of it. And then the next time you log in, it'll be gone. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is hit create. So you come up here to the right here, and hit create. Okay, then just name it. You can name it whatever you want. Okay, then come down here and choose your funnel goal. We're going to build an audience, or you can sell a product, or you can do a custom funnel, but then you don't get the templates or run an evergreen webinar. So like I said, we're just going to just click on build an audience. Come down here for the currency. I really don't think this matters unless you're selling a product, which we're not going to be doing. So just hit US dollars. And then next you want to, okay, after you do that, so like I said, you name it, anything you want, just for your own reference. Then you click on what you want to do. We're going to build an audience. Pick the currency if you want, I guess if you're selling a product, and then click save. Okay. Then next, if everything went through, it'll be listed in your funnel. So this is the funnel we created right here. So you just click on it. Okay. Alright, now, oh crap. Since I've created several funnels, I've been playing around with it. I have these listed in here. But if you haven't, then these won't be here. So I'll just delete them so we can start over. Just like you're coming here for the first time. Like I said, I don't think these are in here the first time. If they are, you can just click on them. But I'm pretty sure they're not. So hit add step. You name it. Anything you want. Then the next thing, so you give it a name, it's for your reference, anything you want. Next thing, you come down, hit type. And we're just going to say squeeze page, but it can be anything. Inline form, pop-up form, opt-in thank you, sales page, order form, for a webinar, information page, whatever you'd like. But we'll just do the squeeze page. And then you click save. Okay, now we have step 1 there. Next thing, all the templates come up. You can pick any template you want. I'll scroll down here. There's this one I want to show you if I can find it now. Okay, let me see here. Yeah, we'll just take this one. It's easy. It's very simple. Okay, and then you name it, and you can, instead of just having random letters and numbers, I would just pick your niche. Obviously you wouldn't write niche, you get weight loss, make money online, whatever it is, and just put it in there. And then you hit this thing, it looks like a floppy disk. It's a big green button. It's the first one on the right. You just click on it and it'll save it. The next thing, if you want to view it, you can. and then get down to the wand and hit edit. And I think you can also duplicate it, yeah. Or change page, I'm sorry, change page template. So we'll hit edit. Okay. So now, this is real easy. Anything you want to delete, like if we don't want this, you just hit delete. Okay, now that's gone. Oh no, I wanted to keep that. So this is a cool thing I'll show you guys. If you accidentally delete the wrong thing, at first I didn't know this when I first started using this, System.io, so I was like, oh crap, I gotta start all over again. Nope, you don't. You just go all the way to the left at the top next to the System.io logo, and you click on undo. Okay? Now, that's nice because if you, like I said, it's easy to accidentally delete something. Another cool thing I discovered playing around with this, if you go to the right, because I really do want to delete it, I was just showing you guys that, so here it's gone. So that's kind of cool. It's called the undo. I think it's what's called the redo. So that's really cool to have that. So you just hit delete it. Okay, and this, the text, you just click on it, like double click on it, and you can go in here and change anything you want. Or add anything, or you just type on it, just type it. It's like, it's whatever that, what you see, what you get, and then to change the color, you would just click here. And you can come over here and you can change the size, the font size, make it smaller, make it bigger. You can change the font, you can change anything. So just play around with that. You can change the background color. And the same with this, you can go in here and you can change anything in here. Same thing, just click on it and type. Okay, and then this book a call, you can send them to another, to a blog, another web page, or if you just want to send them to an affiliate offer. So you can list the head, like get a headline here from the sales page, and just put a couple benefits here rather, and then send them right to a affiliate offer. Or you also can just, we'll delete some of this. We don't need this. They put a lot of stuff in here you don't really need, but, and just go through and delete it. We're just going to keep this real basic. Okay. Okay, and then we don't need this thing. It says M either. Click on that. Okay, so here's this very basic, simple landing page. Like I said, the headline, the couple benefits, and then we can send them right to the affiliate offer. You just click on this, and then just put the affiliate link right here. You'd have open URL, and then just post the affiliate link in here. And that's just a very basic, simple landing page. I mean, you could put other things in here too. You could put a little video. You could put a a picture of something that you like. Okay, let's see now. All right, let's go down here. Okay, like I said, that's if you just want to send them right to an affiliate offer. But you also have the choice to the left here, go on the blocks, and then scroll down, and then click on form input. And I always try to drop it like right on this thing. Okay, and then we'll move it. We'll try to move it up. There we go, perfect. Okay, and then once you're on this, you can adjust this. You can adjust the, let me see here. Adjust that. And then we'll adjust this because it looks ridiculously large. So there you go. Okay, and then, okay, so now we have an opt-in box. You just click on this, and then you can pick the type. So we're just going to do the email. So there, they can enter their email. Okay, so when you're right here, we have the email. You can click this, so we need this to collect the email. And then what's nice is you can just come over here and click on elements, and then scroll down, and then you want to go to form input, and just grab it and then drop it. Okay, and then it's right here. And then click on it. And then we need to adjust the size. You just grab these buttons here in left and right. There we go. It looks a lot better. Okay, so then click on this. And we can use this. Let's click on it. Okay, input type. We can do, let's see here, first name. Okay, so now we have the email and the first name. We'll just move them. Here we go. So we got first name and email, and then we would change this to something else like. So just go over here, just click on it, and then hit the little gear, and then scroll down here. Okay, and then you can change this. It's the button text. You can change this to whatever you want. Okay, and then when you decide where you're going to send them, you just click on this. Click on this, and click on the gear. Okay, you can send them to an open URL, which would be if you have a download page, or like I said, if you wanted to send them to an affiliate sales page with a video, or wherever you want. Or you could also have them download a file, and then just maybe have an ebook with an affiliate link, and then you just click on this, and you can upload a file. Okay, guys, let's see if this worked. We're on the edit page, so just go to the top, the blue button, click Save Changes, then go to the eyeball to the left of Save Changes button and hit Preview. Okay, this won't be here. Get rid of that. Okay, so now this is a basic landing page, and we just have them go into a free ebook. Like I said, you can put an affiliate link in or whatever you want, and just click on that, and boom, there's just an ebook I bought. So it just goes right to that. So there it works. Awesome. Okay, guys, I just wanted to show you this with the opt-in page. I just showed you with the basic landing page without the opt-in. So I just wanted to show you it with the opt-in. Okay, so I put the first name and the email. So we'll just save changes, and then you go back to this little arrow at the top to exit. Okay, it takes you back to the funnel right here. So we're just going to preview it with the little eyeball right here. Okay, and then what we're going to do here is we're going to see if it works. So let's put my. Okay, guys, I put in my name and email. So let's just see if it works. Get your free ebook now, and it works perfect. So we'll just go back to this. Okay, when you're in here, I'll just hit the edit button and show you this real quick. Yeah, so when you're in here, you can also, instead of downloading the file, you can go on to the next step and then take them to a download page, or a thank you page rather, if you'd like. And I'll have a video about that also below this video. Okay, guys, if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, it's nice if you like it, then that way you can refer back to it. You can find it in your liked videos. All right, guys, take care.